That's one. I got shot from. I got aimed at from behind. I'm with you. Nice work. On that mark, he landed below. He's broke. Someone's coming in. Watch your back. There's another. I guess the teammate's fighting him. I guess that was him. Still gonna listen closely. There. Here, Tyler. Oh, okay. Just in case I was getting a little low on snipe ammo. God damn it. Oh, shit. Wait, what? Uh, Those are some good, like, good shots, I feel like, and I'm missing. Oh, that was a good one. Down that good. Oh, footsteps, 100%. Yeah. I put a clean over, mine over here just in case. Just come up, dude. Stop being a bitch. Yeah, he's sprinting. There he is. Yeah, bottom floor is Burke. I used to chase people when I break them, but the problem with doing that is people start throwing spamming fucking explosives, and then you get fucked and you're dead. So you might as well just let them come to you. No, it's not as exciting, but yeah, like two dudes like landed over here at one point, and I was like, oh, here we go. Am I leading too much? Oh, there we go. Burke down. It sounded like a little kid or a girl was like, damn. I'll just say fuck it and go down. Either. Miss. It's hard to get the. Yeah, it's not. Oh, right here. Damn. That's not easy. He's moving around again. I think he's in the back. Yeah, I hear him back here. There's a mine here, so if you wanna. Nice. That was him, 100%. I remember seeing his ass. There's so many parachuters over there. Holy shit. Did you get him? Oh, never said anything. What the fuck is that? Oh, the teammate's getting riddled. Someone just talked in game? Hear anybody moving. Oh my god, maybe that was him. He probably looked at you too and said, no, don't do it. Be puppy. Dude, on these, this, the fuck? Oh wow, he really went low. Parachute? Oh, we're done. That was a girl. Whoa, hey, what's up, bud? You shooting at me? Where you at? I got shot from like over here somewhere. That you? Oh, that was him. Yeah, someone's like over here somewhere. I think it's this building. People keep landing there. That's like the hot spot right there. I just don't like that building because like people love to hide in there with shotguns, and you know how fun shotguns are to deal with. Especially the dragon's breath where you can't even see what the fuck you're shooting at. That's the worst. How do I miss? I saw. Yeah, I mean we could always move to that building if you want to just get a little bit more action. This is fucking risky, but fuck it. I wonder if I can make this. Oh, I'm getting hit. Ugh. I missed. Someone just landed like over here. Someone's talking in game. Fuck. You good? Oh, I just got sniped. Watch, there's someone's really looking over here. It might be where my mark is. Is that you? Yeah, he's behind that. Broke him. Wow, he's really challenging still while I'm fucking shooting him. On my mark. I don't think you could see from that angle. Oh, there's two. That's not good. Yeah, I can't fight this. That's just impossible with two snipers. And I just keep missing. Guy right here. Burp. Someone someone in here? Is that you moving? That's a teammate. Yeah, where my mark is, two snipers there. Burp one on the right. Down, down, down. One on the left still up. He's probably just gonna fucking revive. Parachuter. Oh shit, dude, it just got torched out the sky. Right here. On mark, closer. He was on that roof. Oh, window. I think it's two guys, two different guys, because I saw different skins. Where's that from? Oliver. Oh, got it. Oh, I just got sniped at. Oh, yeah. Fuck. Burp. I got plates down here if you need them. Oh, that's you. Someone parachuting in. Up here. Someone's up here. Watch out, watch out. He's outside. Somebody right here. Somebody on that roof there. Yeah. Are you already getting shot at? Oh, someone landed. Someone landed here. Oh, someone drop up here? He jumped off. Somebody was on our roof. There's like some dude. It's like keeps creeping around. Your teammate, can you like mark the dude? I guess over here. I don't know. I feel like that guy was a bit more competent. It's the reason I didn't want to push him. Oh, right here. Down. He's really. His teammate's so focused on it. Oh, right here. He went inside that building. Oh, I hit him. I hit him. I flicked it to the right, but I didn't down him. I didn't even break plates. Can you believe that shit? Where's that from? Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, fuck. I got him literally at the last second. Down somebody on the roof. Yeah, yeah. Broke this dude. When we go back to the old one, I was just trying to push a little bit just because, like, where the enemy is. I got a guy in my building. Yeah, I got somebody on me too. Come on, teammate, you got this. Nice. Teammate's using a shotgun. Ah, the old roof. He's dead. I got him. I was trying to get him to peek over. I couldn't see him. Definitely got to get back up though. Here's somebody. She said, I'm trying to get a plate, god darn it. Man, he's building. Just too many fucking buildings and rooms and shit. Yeah, it's kind of fucking scary. Well, a classic Sea-Town player. Nice. Someone just aimed at me. Someone just aimed at me from like, I don't know where. Oh, right here. Ow. I'll mark. I'll mark. He could be baiting us. Yeah, he's watching the steps, and I got a guy landing on me. Watch your back. Watch your back. Ah, make sure you smoke me if you get me. God damn. This is where that guy was. He was like right here at this edge of these steps. Oh, there's two. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. There's definitely more. There's definitely more. Pretty damn sure it's somebody else. Yep. I wish I had my throwing knives. Oh my god. Oh, nice work. Oh. No, 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 no. This is so fucking risky. Ah, yeah, true. Dude, holy shit, dude.